If you look at this card, you can see a person holding five swords in his hands. He appears to be walking away quietly, while looking back over his shoulder. Behind him, you can see two swords left standing. In the background, there are tents, which show a place or group of people he is moving away from. His posture shows caution, as if he does not want to be noticed. This shows a situation of secrecy, or doing something without others knowing. It can also show avoiding a situation instead of facing it directly. There may be a lack of openness or actions being taken quietly. So, this card is about secrecy, avoidance, and handling things in an indirect way. This is the Seven of Swords card. Yes or no? If this card comes, the answer is no. It shows uncertainty, hidden factors, or lack of clarity in the situation. If the card comes reversed, the answer may become yes. After truth comes out or things become clear. Career studies business. It shows working in a situation where everything may not be clear. If someone is thinking about choosing a course or changing a job, they should be careful and check all details properly. There may be confusion or lack of full information. If they are already working, there may be hidden issues, miscommunication, or lack of transparency. If someone is jobless, they should be careful with opportunities and verify properly before trusting. If the card comes reversed, it shows clarity coming in or hidden matters being revealed. Love. If someone is in a relationship or marriage, it shows lack of openness or honesty. There may be things not being said clearly, or one person avoiding the truth. If there is a breakup, it may be due to misunderstanding or lack of clarity. If the card comes reversed, it shows truth coming out, or a chance to clear misunderstandings. Health. If a person has a disease, it shows the need to properly understand the condition. There may be confusion, so proper checkup and clarity are important. If someone is healthy, it is a warning not to ignore signs or avoid proper care. If something new is detected, it shows the need for clear diagnosis and correct understanding. If the card comes reversed, it shows clarity in diagnosis or better understanding of the condition. General guidance. This card is asking you to be careful and not ignore important details. Do not avoid situations that need attention. Face things clearly instead of handling them indirectly. If the card comes reversed, it shows that truth is coming out and things can be handled more openly. So, this card tells you to be aware of hidden factors and deal with situations clearly instead of avoiding them.